Then, hello everyone, welcome. So I know I literally just made a teardown video yesterday, but I've been having a lot of fun with this game, so I decided to make another one. Even if it doesn't really do that well, I'm still probably gonna make quite a bit of videos on it, because I do really enjoy this game. So, yeah. Anyways, so I got a mod here today. Yeah, well, these are all the mods I have installed. I have quite a bit. But right here we have King Kong. Alright. So, one thing about him, I want to see if an airstrike can take him down. KO to King Kong. Let's head over to where King Kong is at. Let me pull my car over here. Alright. I got miniguns. So it seems, it's powerful enough to take out King Kong. Alright, so I want to see if I can get some C4 on King Kong. Actually, I also want to try some miniguns, see if I can kill him with some miniguns. I'm gonna shoot at these. He's still alive. Now he definitely ain't. Well, I can fly with dual miniguns. Alright, anyways. Let's go here, spawn King Kong. So I gotta get this man. Alright. I've taken him out. Alright. It blew up his entire foot. Wait, my man? I think my man is still alive. Oh, he's hungry. Oh, bro, he's hungry. Hey, bro, you hungry? Here. That was like really anticlimactic. This RPG is way less powerful than I thought it would be. And I do have just one minigun here. Oh, well, I don't know if I can drive that. I just hit a tree. This car is no longer okay. I actually haven't used this thing yet, so I kind of want to see. Oh my gosh. I can just my frames have left the chat right now. There's so many cars. Oh yeah, and King Kong's just chilling over here. Yeah, King Kong is just chilling over here, man. That should be fine. Alright, King Kong. Hey, why is he on fire, bro? What the hell? Bro, my man, King Kong is on fire.
Microprocessor, KIT for easy reference, the kit if you prefer.
Bro. So King Kong is pretty powerful. Hollow King Kong. Yo. Gotta go!
Oh my God.
Huh? Night Industries 2000 multiple purpose. So you see, I have to drive this car through here because otherwise it's gonna get stuck on the ground. So it'll get stuck in the ground if we don't, if we just have it drive here. So we're gonna have to take it out my way. Let's go campaign. Why not? Let's try out the campaign. Oh, I get my weapon. I didn't know that actually. Oh, yippee! And then I know what I can do. So I'll use the magnetizer and just like bring them here. This thing. At least that's the plan. So I gotta somehow get these cars here. Alright, bruh. Well, it'll probably end up destroying the place. So let's just go with my dual miniguns, because why not? We might need them to... I need to clear the pathway, sorry. Oh yeah, this place. That means over this way? Yeah, I can just go through a house. No worries. Escape vehicle's over there, so we gotta somehow get these cars onto this boat. I gotta somehow get the vehicles. I don't. Let's see here. Well, I guess I can do this. This is one of the classic cars. Actually, I'm gonna clear out this wall. Right. Now if I can just go in here with the magnetizer and get this. Now I need to make my way back over to, actually, I could probably, so there's that car. Now if I go to the other one and I can bring them over, I can just quickly, wait, do I only have to get one over? Wait, how many do I have to get over here again? 2. Right, so there's that. All right. Now I'm gonna make my way to the car on the ship. It's there. So I'm gonna have to swim over there. Cause there's these giant whatever. Wait, I did not plan this. I didn't plan this. I didn't plan this at all. Holy crap, I actually have no clue what to do from that. Because, I actually have no clue how to do that. My knees. Yes, that's nice. Of course it's raining outside. What time is it? Whatever, I'll just check later. Let's just head to actually one of the... Actually, since this game does have featured mods, why don't I just install some of these instead of going to, beautiful, smart pistol. I can just subscribe to this mod, then that's gonna download inverted pyramid house. Russian town 3. bikes and ramps. Nice. Forest friends. I'm turning down my volume. Catapult medieval. Futuristic vehicle pack? This is a huge mod, apparently. Like... I'll subscribe to this mod as well, but this is like... Oh, that just opened up the Steam Workshop page. Dang, that's taking a long time to install. There. Mod manager. Futuristic vehicle pack there. There. I had talked to someone real quick, and I just wasn't gonna do anything, talk to them on a video, but, anyways, that's out of the way now. Holy crap, this place is huge. The frames aren't the greatest, but it runs, and that's really all I was really looking for here. Hypercar. Let's see this hypercar. Hypercar is very breakable. I only drove through a tree. All I did was drive through a tree. Oh, just like that. Oh, just like that. The hypercar is very The hypercars are very breakable. Oh crap. No. How is this car still okay? I'm just destroying the car and placing a new one because it's in horrible condition. Alright then, let's go. Let's go Hypercar 1 this time. Yippee. I got slow motion. Well, that's nice. Let's get King Kong up in here. You know what? I'm gonna get my best friend Jimmy. 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 What's up, Jimmy? He still hasn't paid his rent. Jimmy still hasn't paid his rent. I told him he has to do it, but he won't pay the rent. For frackin' sake. Pizza, pasta, put it in a box. Bring it here and put it on my cock. The tortellini on my weenie, pepperoni on the walls. Cheesy on my peenie and some salsa on my balls. King Kong. Monkey. Monkey. Guys, King Kong's a monkey. I'm gonna shoot his knees. Oh my gosh. Hey bro, I kind of put my car here. Oh wait, here's my car. Oh yeah, there's just a little bit of damage to this house. Holy crap, my frames are declining. I kind of want to drive into King Kong. I kind of want to get a fully alive King Kong and I want to get a supercar and drive into him. Well, just drive straight into King. My boy Kong. I got about like 10 minutes. Actually, let's go for the car first. Hypercar. Let's go Hypercar 1. Actually, let's go Hypercar 3 because we haven't tried this one yet. Gosh darn it, bro. Ooh, red. My favorite color is red. Alright, bro, let's get King Kong up in here. Like the back rooms. Oh no, my car! My car, you! You giant monkey! Alright, bro, let's get another King Kong because these things are gonna... Alright, bro. I guess that solved our problems. King Kong is now dead. Holy crap, I need to restart the level because I want to see if it's just because I have a ton of stuff spawned in or... Oh, well, crap. I slammed the door. Oh wait, breaking a mirror means bad luck, right? Oh well, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. No bad luck for me. I don't have bad luck. I just don't. Wonder if I can. Well, I guess I have good luck because this man is just like chilling. Hitting him in the knees. Alright, so we're gonna go up with him with the airstrike. Alright. And get inside this store. My frames are horrible, but we're gonna go after him.
Все лучшее для вас. Для посещения магазина необходим пакет документов.
King Kong should be taken out now. Whee! That's actually really cool. I'm gonna restart this map again. I'm just gonna go up and just like. Can I just turn my TV off? Ah! What a nice day to have good luck. Wait, I remember. I broke a mirror. Oh, wait. I'm gonna ring the doorbell, cause why not? All right. All right, guys. I'm gonna end off the video here. Bye.